that
Wood,
we
wood mulch and wood chips.
wood chips that we put in the walkway. We put the carpet down and we put wood chips on top of it to control weeds. And as the wood chips breaks down, we take that and put it into the bed and feed the plant. This is very high in nitrogen and other food, plant food. Nitrogen and other plant food. Very, very high in nitrogen. And what it does, what the mulch wood chip does, it keeps the plants cool in the summer and warm in the winter. And it provides many, many different nutrients for the plants. Then it makes the garden look kind of a uniform. When it rains, you don't slip because it has good traction. It's really multi-purpose. It's really beneficial for the garden. As much wood chips as you can have. You cannot have too much of it. So we stockpile quite a bit of it on the outside, and then we bring them and we put them between the walkways in the bed. And as they break down, we put them into the soil and then in the beds, and then we replace it.
So whatever is here, let me just pull it over.
So now we're just adding more mulch.
Yes. This is serious nitrogen for the plants. They do exceedingly well with that. Yes. This is broken down mulch. It's your wood chips. It's your black it is. Yes. It goes back to soil. It enriches the plants a lot. And these holding pretty much soil in them, so just build them up one time.